You're not ashamed of yourself. You are a half-baked journalist. Nnamdi Kanu reports. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, popularly known as IPOB members, is a British Nigerian Biafran political activist and director of Radio Biafra, a UK-registered radio station known for prominent advocacy of the contemporary Biafran independent movement. Nnamdi Kanu, sometimes in 2012, founded the indigenous group, which comprises mostly of Igbo tribes, and the main aim of Igbo is to restore an independent state of Biafran for the people of Old Eastern region of Nigeria through referendum. Wow. According to Nnamdi Kanu branded on air the personality Madupe Ogun, a Fulanized journalist, following his review of a July 2018 interview the Channels TV presenter had with the national organizing chairman of the Middle Belt Summit, Nigerian development economists and international polymaths, central bankers, the statesman, and the 2019 Nigerian presidential election candidate of Africa Democratic Progress, Ibadia Malafia, using states like Sokoto, Zamfara, and Kebbi states. For instance, she said that Fulani are also victims of violence in the northern Nigerian regions. Malafia, however, disagreed with her, making it clear that it is the Fulani killing indigenous Hausa people. During his routine online broadcast on Tuesday, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, criticized Ogun, describing her as a half-baked journalist. Nnamdi Kanu said that you see that wretched girl at Channels TV, that stupid girl. I don't even know what they call her. She's an idiot. This girl at Channels Television is defending Fulani Jagawidism because they gave her money. Maybe one of them has taken her to Dubai to do shopping. This is why he's saying rubbish and criticizing who she shouldn't criticize. She's supporting them because she has been paid and bribed with fund, or just say money. She is the main anchor, Maokwe, or whatever her name is, on Channels TV. One of those doing the bidding of Fulani Jagawids. She is trying to justify the killing of human beings by saying that the Fulanis should be excused. This is absolute stupidity. This is why I'm saying that he is an half-baked journalist. Nnamdi Kanu added, I want Fulani that their deception as an empire and expiring, and it has truly expired, as even Hausa people are now rising up to reclaim their land from them. I personally support the rights of Hausa people, as clearly demonstrated in this video, to reclaim their ancestral lands from Fulani usurpers. Now is the time for all indigenous people to say no to Fulani Jagawidism, along with its numerous and terror tendencies. Well done, Hausa youth. We are with you, and your glorious past will be re-established in our time, Nnamdi Kanu said. Some Fulani, their communities in Nigeria have accused media practitioners and organizations of stereotyping them. The stereotyping source recently owing to the Herdsmen crisis, and the Fulani, any other tribes and community in the country generally characterized, hated and accused of raping, kidnapping, armed robbery and murder in parts of Nigeria through cattle rearing. Sometimes this year, the governor of Ondo State obliged an ultimatum that all occupants of Ondo State forest reserve who are predominantly herdsmen grazing their cattle should register with the state government or vacate the forest with immediate effects. Nnamdi Kanu spoke, or should I say speaks. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Wow, this is not a lie. This is not lies. Nnamdi Kanu is very much right about this lady. I know that Nnamdi Kanu has just made a point of a truth. This lady in short, anytime she comes out to criticize anybody, just know that she has been bribed. They always bribe this lady to say things that are not real on channels television, or because of money. This is why Nnamdi Kanu called her an half-baked journalist. Yes, an half-baked journalist. She deserves to be called her name. She deserves to be called her name. She deserves so much because she doesn't know what she's doing. An half-baked journalist takes bribe from anybody to criticize someone. An half-baked journalist do whatever he or she likes, all in the name of money. You can imagine saying negative things about someone, criticizing someone, saying things that are not right, that are not real. The person should be called an half-baked person. So viewers, you have heard what Nnamdi Kanu said concerning this lady. You can imagine where she works. She works in the channels TV, and look at what she's doing. Look at what she's doing to people, all in the name of money. So viewers, your comment concerning this news will be very much appreciated. Don't hesitate to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive notifications whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.